Hi guys, welcome to my vlog again. So today is February 19, 2026 and I'm reviewing for fall exam tomorrow. And after everything mananaday kay mag foundation days namin next week. But dili gyud gihapon ko maka-relax kay daghan gyapon buhaton sa foundation days. Then after foundation days, March na. What do you mean? Mag-proposal na mi sa mong research. Kaya pa ba? Charing, kaya, uy, of course. And, mo to, more tong life update, guys. Bye.
Wala pa ate nursing. Wala pa. Yung nursing ko. Okay, go. Ako yung section sa art up. Art up yung mga section. Okay. Grabe first one. Hi guys! Pagay sa mga vlog dito. Hello guys! Ayun, basihan ang mga tao. Kasi basihan sila. Okay, yaman ka. Say Carson. Sa 1D daw. Sa 1D yaman. Eh, diri ang ST. Kaya ako kay mga BSOT, BSRT. Ay, mga kuha nila mga PTPC. 949 BSRT. Api na mga ingana. This section. BSRT. 28. Okay. Wala pa yung nursing daw. Okay. Yung nursing 2K. Magano kayo? Thank you. Gani pa? Ayun, sige mo. Lulakaw pa ka? Lulakaw pa ka, atlet? Ano nagdaksima ka? Ulang ba yun? Buli ba yung jeep? Ano? Magsikira ang mukha, no? Ana, perfect. Walo, busy ko yung... Ano, mag-vlog na ko. Tuloy daw siya.
Welcome you to an event that celebrates not only beauty and talent, but also intelligence, confidence, leadership, and a true spirit.
Wala, video na kayo.
Hello everyone, good evening. So today is the last day of February and it's February 28 and it's 9:05 p.m. Dagan kig nitabo nga mga ganap sa akong life since Monday to kahapon, which is Friday, because this week is our 71st foundation week. sa mong school, and as an org really maraming ganaps. There's a lot of things happening from the pageantries, the booths, and everything neat kailangan asikasuhon. So yeah, karon pagid ko naka-bounce back after the 1 week of busyness. Allah, OA. And I'm very grateful for the strength that the Lord has given me because I truly believe na if walay strength nang gihatag ng Ginoo sa kuha maglisod jud kog survive day kay technically kanang to be honest naana jud ko nga kanang dugay kong mata every single day because majority of my classes are held sa afternoon. So, naanad ko akong body clock nga umata ko mga 9 or 10. And it's very challenging for me na umata og mga 7 or 6 or 8 ana. But I did it with the grace of God, and the whole week was very busy. Ang emotions kind of mixed. Kaya na
Nagkahago ka kapoy kalipay na sakit ka guuringan.
atake. But overall, successful ra siya, and naka-bounce back na pud ko, nakatulog na kog maayo, nakalapan ako bag-o ra jud kay daghan na kay kog laphon nun. And naka-rest na jud ko. Thank God kay next week lahi na pud nalabanan ang buhaton kay nanapod may thesis and nanapod may short film making and atimanon na pud na mo ang among internship because it's already March and probably mahuman among 7th April, and it's so fast. Super fast jud tanan ko if mo man ang April mag-internship na mi ana and manapod may proposal defense ana. So yeah, busy kaya ang life day, but I'm very grateful na naa ako'y kinabuhat every single day. Like, daghan kag things na huna-hunaon because mas better if daghan ta ginahuna-huna kaysa wala kay dili maglihok atong brain and everything and such things in life. But yeah, I'm very happy and very grateful for all of the blessings. So, I hope and pray nga makakuan gyapon ko sa akong vlog kay I know nga it's very time consuming when it comes to editing, but I'll try my best. I'll try my very best to edit and shoot and document my life as much as possible. So yeah,